our organization is. Pero gusto ko pa rin ulit-ulitin lahat ng magagandang ginagawa natin. We are a part of a very wonderful association called the Socotonian Community, particularly our KMB at ika-6 na anibersaryo ngayon. In the 6 years or more that we have contributed our time, energy, skill, and wisdom to make a positive difference in the lives of our families and including friends. We have also supported each other through good times and bad times by creating a strong bond of friendship and solidarity. Emphasize ko yung friendship at solidarity. Rain or shine or snow, nasa Israel ka, nasa ibang lugar, nasa Cagayan, nasa Ilocos, sa Bisaya, tayo pa rin ay nagkakaalaman. We are always in contact, and that is friendship and solidarity. Lalo na kung ikaw ay nasa mabuting kalagayan, we are all one in spirit. I want to congratulate every one of us for what we have achieved, and thank you for that, all that we have done. We are an amazing group of people, and we deserve to be proud of ourselves. Where do you find multi-talented, active seniors pa rin? Consider our great singers, gorgeous fashion models, pious prayer warriors, senior photo video editors, event planners, speakers. Wow! You can name some more. At idadagdag ko ngayon, ako ay daaral ng AI. Magkasakali, pero hindi ko sigurado. AI, Artificial Intelligence, which we could include in our presentation. But also I want to remind everybody that we are done not yet. We are done not yet. We still have so much to offer, so much to learn, and so much to enjoy. We have a wealth of experience and knowledge that we can share with others. We have a passion and curiosity that we can use to explore interests. We have a zest and joy that we can use to celebrate every moment of life. We are not old, we are not weak, we are not irrelevant. Hindi tayo laos. We are vulnerable. We are strong and important. So don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Don't let anyone limit your potential or diminish your worth. Don't let anyone make you feel less than you are. You are amazing. You are beautiful. You are awesome. You are the stars of this association. So keep shining, keep smiling, keep living. You have a lot to look forward and a lot to be grateful and to be more exciting. I challenge everyone here to talk to more Kenyan friends, like those who always find ways to bond with others. like in the Philippines or somewhere else. Tell our wonderful stories, activities, laughter and joy, and compassion when the circumstances arise. Let us keep inviting our fellow Socotonians wherever they may be. At marami pa tayong gagawin. Palagay ko marami pang plano itong grupong ito. So for now, I want to thank you for listening and for staying for event, for this anniversary of KNB 6th year anniversary. And we will do more. Thank you and happy Valentine's to all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.